on guys, today let's talk about the RANVOO AICE. Now I know it spells like ace, but it's really called ice because they did correct me on it and told me it's called like ice, like cold ice. Brought this unit to Bahamas, and so far we have been using this thing quite a bit, more than what I thought we would, because you know, when you're walking from one resort to another, this is really useful right here. Now here's the thing about this, it does a lot more than on the surface. So the first thing is that it actually has a fitness tracker on here. So when I turn this thing on, you see these little dots right here that's blinking. Yeah, that's the fitness tracker right there. So it reads something back there, and it actually tells you what your walking distance and stuff is. The other thing is, obviously you see right here, the LCD screen is amazing. This thing right here is a touch screen, guys. Yeah, this is definitely 2023 kind of thing right here. I really didn't care for the fitness thing, but it does like track everything that I do, which if you look right here, it says that I have a couple thousand already of walking, 5,500 walking steps, which, yeah. Anyway, pretty amazing stuff. But on here, you literally like control it. So if I press into this, I can control like how cool the unit is. You see that? Yeah, I can control how cool the unit is. And then at the same time, you can control how fast the wind is as well. There's an indicator right there. But yeah, it has everything on here on this interface. And the other thing that I didn't notice is that this is touch, right? This is touch, but really it's not just touch, but there's a click to it. Crazy. Anyway, there's also a heart rate monitor on here as well. You can connect it to your phone and then use it as a Bluetooth speaker. So yeah, there's a speaker built into this thing. I actually didn't find out till like a day earlier. Yeah, that there's a speaker functionality on here. So it's kind of weird. Everything on here, I mean, it's built like a tank, to be honest with you. It's on right now, full blast, if you guys can hear it. Can you hear it? Yeah. Anyway, the selling feature on this one though is this right here. If you can see, this is the cooling plate that's on the side. There's one right here, and then there's one on the other side. Well, what happens is that the fan not just blows on your neck, but it actually cool down those plates, and right now it's super cold. I'm touching it and it's very cold. So if you put it on your neck, imagine your neck with a cold towel on there. Well, this thing is cold all the time. Now walking through the resort, this thing is so cold that it actually condensates, because you know the weather is humid out there, so this thing condensates, so there's water on it and stuff like that. It's pretty crazy stuff. Yeah, like literally a portable AC unit on your head. I haven't explored all the functionality on there, but all I know is that there is also a heating function as well, which I haven't used because the weather has been like 110 degrees, so I haven't used that yet, but it does work. When it's red like this, that means that this plate right here is gonna turn hot, so you can actually use this in the winter as well. Like I said, lots of tech crammed into this thing. Charge it with USB-C. This thing actually lasts me like almost 4 hours on full blast in the Bahamas. So take it for what it's worth. I mean, depending on your usage. Oh my god, yeah, it's heating right now. So if you look on here, it's saying that heating. You see that right in the middle, it says heating. So yeah, right now it's actually warm, which I don't need it to be heat. A lot of tech in this one. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good one.